How to insert page breaks in Microsoft Word using mobile device. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and load the document you want to edit. Once the document is opened up, tap on the pencil button at the top of the screen and you'll end up in the editing screen. Tap the spot where you want the new page to begin. After you do that, make sure that the cursor is exactly where the page break should occur, and then tap on the three dots from the bottom tool menu and now click on the Home drop-down. Now select Insert and now click on Page. Once you do that, you'll be able to create a page break. A new page will now start immediately after your cursor. Scroll to see the new blank page. Continue typing on the new page as required. Page breaks are better than pressing the enter repeatedly. They keep your layout clean. You can use page breaks before chapters, headings, or sections. So that is how you will be able to add a page break or insert a page breaks in Microsoft Word. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.